Hello everyone. Welcome to the another exciting video with a great exciting product launch in the market. And today we are not going to look demo or simply time wasting reviews done by other YouTubers or bloggers like reading all the same words in this marketing and promoting with useless bonuses. Rather, we are here to review all the possibilities of this product and what they mentioned here. Is that really worth purchasing this product? Will this sales page convert into the sales? Is that really helpful for those affiliates of ClickBank? And also I will show number of ways to promote those pages in order to get maximum number of sales and commissions through it. With all those doubts and questions will be answered now. So I have done a research and collected the data in Google to present you the honest, truthful facts and reviews of this product. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. In this video, the product we are going to analyze is ClickBank Lander. So the name will serve you get a meaning. It's nothing but the landing page for the ClickBank. So is nothing but the sales page or the landing pages in order to promote and get commission. Yes, you need to have a ClickBank account in order to promote those pages. ClickBank account creation is very simple. There are n number of videos out there in YouTube to create a ClickBank account, or just comment down, I will help you then. N number of videos are there to promote ClickBank products also. So I will say that too in the middle of the video. And what about the landing page? Is that highly convertible, or is that some sales gimmick pages? Wait, I will show all those in live previews. So in front of you, these are the landing pages, 45 landing pages. So the product is in front of you before your purchase. So look into the every preview. So these are the products, highly converting products in the ClickBank. Wait, I will show. It's the average looking girl reveals the one thing that keeps men from ignoring text messages. So this is the one of the landing page. And I forgot to mention the commission you get through the ClickBank products. Wait, I will show that. Look, these are the products you are going to promote in those landing pages. So look at the conversion rate, $137 per product, and look at 147, 151, 138, 125. So these are the commission you will get for every product you are promoting to your customers. So the ClickBank is the one of the best affiliate network in the world. So it is the biggest network, so you can easily get sales from those products as an affiliate person. So come into the ClickBank Lander. So these are the live previews you are going to look before you are purchasing this product. So how many types of ClickBank Lander pages are they provide? There are 3 types. What are they? Wait, I will show. Mainly there are the video landing pages, content landing pages, and quiz type of pages. So yeah, these are the quiz type of pages, and some of them are landing pages or which highly converting video type of landing pages. So you will get highly converting pages in this product. Just we need a promotion to those pages. But how to promote? Wait, I will show. There are n number of ways to promote. Only the sky is limit. There we promote through free tools like Instagram, Pinterest, or even Facebook or Quora. There are plenty of free traffic. Can also do the reviews and write articles to get sales. So there are more number of ways. So this ClickBank Lander will help you to cross all the hurdles, and they done most of the hardest part. Yes, they have done most of the hardest part for you. It's all responsive and flat design and easy to set up, and also just need a bit of promotion from you in order to get sales. So no need to create content, create product, no need to do any hard work, just promotion. You can also promotion is enough from you. You can also promote this to your email list. So I hope I have cleared all those doubts. And finally, You can also have money back guarantee if you are not satisfied. Yes, you heard it right. Even if you are purchased this product and you didn't make any conversions, if you following those landing pages, you can have available free 100% money back guarantee. Yes, that is also available for those product. So in order to get those refund, just contact the admin or contact the author of this product. And as a joint venture of Warrior Plus, our team will be there to help you as well, even if you didn't get any reply from this author. So we are also there to help you to get your money refund. And finally, now the exciting part is premium bonus. Yes, this is not some useless promoters give 10s or 20s of free bonus which is completely useless. Here we as a house of Z Panda designers a premium bonus in order to help all those who are either entrepreneur, online marketer or digital marketer, or doing 9 to 5 job, or even a student, whatever you may be. That's 5 premium bonus. To know more about that, I have mentioned in the comment and description below. That's purely from the makers of House of Z Panda. So let's look at those products. So these are the premium bonuses. Look, so these are the you don't get anything for free outside. So these are purely from the houses of Z Panda. So you don't need to worry about the bonus, because this is not some useless bonuses what other marketers are promoting. These are from the house of Z Panda. Okay, and simple how you can avail those bonus. Yes, just purchase this product from the link I have mentioned below in the comment box and as well as in the description, and upload the receipt of that purchase in the link mentioned below. So you can upload the receipt, and that's all. You will finished done everything. You will receive those premium bonuses within a day in your registered mail ID. And now I hope all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any, comment down below. I am there to help you, and our team will be there to help you with whatever the queries and whatever the problems you have. And that's all for today. Thank you. Cheers. Bye bye.